Your debit card can be declined even with money in the account. Here are the top reasons and instant fixes. Insufficient funds, overdraft limit reached, check balance in your banking app, transfer money or deposit cash, daily transaction limit, hit. Most banks cap ATM $500, $1,000, or POS $2,000 to $10,000 daily. Fix. Increase limit temporarily in app online banking or wait until midnight reset. Fraud alert, card locked, bank flagged unusual activity. Fix. Open your bank app, cards, unlock card or reply yes to the fraud SMS. Call the number on the back of the card if needed. Expired card or wrong, expiry or CVV entered online. Check physical card for expiry date. Request new card if expired. International or online transactions blocked. Many banks block foreign online spends by default. Fix. App, cards, enable international or online usage. Merchant category blocked, for example crypto. Call your bank to whitelist or use a different card. Contactless, chip malfunction. Insert chip or swipe magnetic strip instead.